Okay guys, we got this, I believe it's a 14 Chevy Express van. They put a new BCM in it. They wanted me to program it. So we're going to go to programming. Let's go to add VIN. I don't know if TechLine Connect's going to have to update or not, but we'll find out. So launch TechLine Connect. It might have to update though. There was an update. Turn our key on. Yeah, so I'm gonna let this update. We're gonna screen record programming it, and I'll probably add some beautiful sound in so you don't hear all these cars behind me. Okay guys, so we programmed this BCM and they said it's because of this turn signal here in the back. I didn't get to look at anything really. Open the door, turn signal's still not working. They said when they jump it from side to side it works. So we're gonna have to get a diagram. We're gonna have to look at this. We'll see if we can figure out what's wrong with this. Because I was just asked to program the body control module. Okay guys, so I brought up our exterior lighting diagram. So our right rear turn signal is this dark green, comes down. This might be a cutaway, so we're probably gonna have to go to the cutaway diagram, but the regular one comes down here and then it turns yellow. Let's go to the cutaway diagram. That goes to 6 comes down, goes through this underhood fuse box into provisions. That's weird. That's the front. actually, never mind. I guess it's cargo. So this is cargo. So it goes to this body fuse box under right front seat and comes down. So we need to see if we got power on a green wire that comes back here. So we'll have to check this connector here, see if we got power on this green wire, because they added this trailer harness in. I'm wondering if something might not be right, because that ain't connected over here, but I'm not sure. So we gotta check this. Yeah, because that goes to our light up here. So let me get some test light. Okay, guys, I got the parking lights on. So if I come back here, we touch this one. I unplugged the trailer harness completely, so it wouldn't be interfering. So we got power there, and that's solid power. But this yellow one, we got nothing. So if we jump this, actually if we jump this to the green, we should get a brighter bulb back here. Because the green changes to our yellow through this connector. There it goes, it went bright. Take it off. So our bulb works. So that confirms our bulb works. So I think we're gonna have to check our fuses. Gotta check our fuses 3, 5, and 6. Let's go to the front and check 3, 5, and 6. Okay, here's our fuse box. So we're actually missing 3, 4, 5, and we have 6, but I guess they're not used on this trailer. 4 spare, 5 spare, 6 is fused ignition, it says. Let's see if we can get a good connection here. Do not have a good connection. So we can get another bolt. Maybe we can get something else to work here. Sorry about that, guys. There we go. Our test light's lit. Lights up. So let's check 6. So 6 has power there. Check the other side. That has power. So we're good there. So now I think we're going to go inside and we're just going to go right to the BCM. Let me grab my laptop. We'll climb in the car. I'll get a test light. We'll check our BCM. Okay, guys, we're in here at our BCM. Like I said, turn signal's still on. Let's turn this off. So we want to check our green right here, connector X5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That should be this one. Pin 1 is yellow. Pin 2 is right rear. So let's connect up to our green. There we go. We're piercing our green, and if we connect this to the ground, we have nothing. So what we'll do is let's go to our yellow. Let's see if we get something on our yellow. And then actually, what we can do is we can jump to our yellow. You don't get anything? Well, that's weird because it should be control. It says control. Yellow comes down. Yeah. It should be our turn signal. They said the... Oh, I don't have the left on. That's why. There we go. So we don't get anything on the right, but we get something on the left. Okay. I wonder if we can jump these together. We could jump these through my test light and see if the test light actually, or if that circuit turns on. Okay, guys, so we'll put the left turn signal on, and then we'll jump this. Look at that, bulb's lighting. Let's go see if our bulb's lighting in the back. It is a little bit. Let me turn the lights off. Okay, guys, look how dim that one is compared to the other side. It's probably because of my test light. So why is our turn signal not turning on? That makes no sense. Let me see if we can jump this directly and see if it makes a difference. Okay, so we jumped that directly. I just want to make sure both lights are flashing. So both lights are flashing. So we are not getting any control out of this module. Why are we not? I guess we gotta check powers and grounds to the module. So let me start checking our powers and grounds. Let's see what we'll check. What do we got? Weird. I hear something clicking in the dash. Yeah, it's only when this is on. There's a clicking in the dash only when I jump that. That is weird. Unless it's backfeeding. It might be backfeeding into something. Let's see. So we'll check our powers. So some of these might not have power because they come from fuses that don't exist. So we'll check 1, 2, and 3 right here for power. And then where's our grounds? Our ground, we got 1 ground. So if there's only 1 ground. This is a strange one. Okay guys, I noticed that if I connect to this red and white wire right here, we have no power, okay? No power going there. So if I move this over, so we have no power on that 1 wire. I think we might have to check fuses because I've never seen a GM BCM that doesn't have power on all the wires. See, that one lights up right there, our second wire. Sorry guys, just trying to do this one-handed. Let's see. Oops, don't want the yellow one. Don't want the yellow one. Let's see if we can hook this. So if we go in this one, no power. Let's check our last one. We have power. So that is strange. So I'm going to go start checking fuses underneath the hood. And we'll see if, because something ain't right here. Something's not matching with our diagram. Oh guys, I just realized something. So on here, this says BCM fuse 726. This is under body control module. That's different than what was under, I think, exterior lights. Let's go back to exterior lights. Maybe I read it wrong. We'll check exterior lights again. Oh, this just says BCM. Oh, that's my issue. I thought it was fuse 6.5. Okay, so they say BCM fuse, but they don't tell you the fuse number. Just go to our body control module. So we went 58, 59, 7. Let me take this outside and we'll check these. Okay guys, we got our fuses here. So it actually says it on here. 7, so we got 7, 8, and 9. So let's go to 6 again. So 6 is good on that side. See if we can zoom you guys in. 6. Just saw it right there. 7. So we only got power on one side of 7. Check 8. We'll check 9. So let's get 7 out. Let's get a pair of pliers. Get 7 out. Oh, look at that. Blown. So let me get a new fuse. Okay guys, I grabbed 2 fuses because we have 2 things that didn't have power. So we'll see. I think they were all 10s on the diagram. Yeah, every single one of them is 10s. So we got that. So which ones we gotta check? We checked 7. So we need 26. Where is 26? 26 is right here, second row. Let's check 26. So that one's good. 26 is good. So now we need 70, 58 and 59. Where's 58 and 59? Right there. So we'll check these two. Let's come down here. Sorry guys, I know this might be blurry. Something. So that one's good. And then we got 72. 72 is over here. Sorry, this is hard to do. So it looks like we got nothing on 72. So look here. 72. Let's pull out 72. That one is blown. So let's put a good one in. Do we have another fuse yet? Okay, that is it. So let's see if our turn signals work. I wonder if it's working. Oh, look at that, guys. It is working. So that was their issue. 2 blown fuses. Well, I hope you guys like it. Let's see, we can put our hazard lights on, we can put our parking lights on, make sure everything works out here in the back. So that one's on, that one's on. So, and also I wanted to let you guys know I did scan this and we didn't have any codes, so just these codes from when I programmed the body control module. So we'll clear those and then we should be good to go because they're all history codes. Hope you guys like it. See you later.